Sam Ellard is with us. Right, Sammy.
Good morning, boy. It must have been a group WhatsApp because I got it as well.
Yes.
I think it must have been one of those. I think send to all contacts.
All
I think.
contacts.
Right.
Send it out.
Everybody.
And to be honest, I donated. I just put done. I don't think it's even looked at it.
You just went done.
He's the hardest person, I think, in my phone book to get hold of.
As soon as I heard that voice message go out, I said to the boys behind the glass, by the way, you've done well to get that voice. Because when he's here,
he's the busiest man in showbiz, though, isn't he?
Yeah, I know he's busy, but there's always time for the boys, right?
I don't know, mate.
You know, he is the hardest person to get hold of ever.
Yeah.
Ali McCoy, if you're listening, he's a disgrace.
Yeah, he is.
Tonight and for stage for some young players it will go down as a massive missed opportunity for Al Nassr.
Yeah, I think the disappointment with that was, leading twice.
Like Yassine Bono and Predrag Rajkovic for the top two. Keeping clean sheets has been a real problem for Al Nassr as well. And now there's a break forward from Al Ghari coming into that central position. The flick from Mane, and then Ronaldo goes down, looking for the free kick, but Yamak is... Oh no, Ronaldo opens the goal scoring.
What a goal, what a goal. As I said, the front two need service, and that's what the two substitutes have been brought on, Wesley and Angelo. And they've just produced, that's what it's all about. It's putting good delivery into the box, it's getting the ball into wide areas where we know Al Nassr are very, very good. And we know how good that man Cristiano Ronaldo is. Any time a ball is put in an area where he can run onto, utilising that half a yard, that pace, and then the power. I mean, it's absolutely brilliant, and that's all down to the ball. And Angelo, it's got pace on it, it's going towards the goalkeeper. All it needs is that final touch. And the main man, Cristiano Ronaldo.
Al Hassan, Abu Shal.
It's something special to score from that range, but...
Here's Ronaldo. Maybe had better options than that, and Mane will close down the potential counter-attack, but only 6 clean sheets for Bento so far this season, which tells the story.
Massive story of the half, that is massive. Needs to be quality.
Mane doesn't quite stick with him, but Al Salahim, and here is Ronaldo, but the challenge comes in.
First half finishing, so
Ronaldo able to bring the ball down, and the shot in the end was
a little clever little touch here, and then Yaya takes that shot on.
But what we are seeing, Ronaldo again making that move, but the pass doesn't find him. See, that was good reading of the game from him, but Angelo now has got space. Comes inside onto that left foot. Good delivery! And it's the sort of delivery that Ronaldo was waiting for. And Cristiano...
Quality. He's going to get frustrated, and
there haven't been too many of those.
No, they haven't. The shots have come from outside the box, haven't they?
But now an opportunity for Ronaldo. Driven wide, and he goes for the curler, fisted away by Al Nassr.
He's just getting on that Cruyff, and then he's trying to bend it. You can see what he's trying to do. Al Nassr just parries it away from his...
Al Nassr keeping out the effort from Ronaldo just before half-time, and the expression on Ronaldo's face really tells the story. Al Nassr once again in the Roshan Saudi League. 66 in 69 games.
Well, he just thrives off any ball that's in the box like that. Through that middle, it's utilising what aerial strength he has, and he's got great ability with his feet.
Here's Ronaldo again, but this time Abu Shal does well to win it back. Here is Mane, Ronaldo ahead of him, and Ronaldo just forced wide. But in the end, he is hoping to win the corner kick. Salahim Ronaldo coming short. To win the corner kick. Bakuna not convinced. And there does seem to be a bit of confusion there.
It was a hard one to call, wasn't it? Because there were a couple of little ricochets. Ronaldo trying to...
I've got one. In towards Al Nassr, the goalkeeper. Al Yamik rather took it away from him. Wesley and Ronaldo! Just wide, appeals for offside as well.
Ronaldo, this will give us a better view. Actually, I think he's onside. I think it's Yamik that just plays him on. Just needs that touch on it. Like the goal, really. Decent little ball.
Goodwin tries to win it back, but here is Ronaldo. Al Yamik clears, and play will be brought back here for the challenge on Ronaldo for Al Nassr.
Oh, it's so clever from Ronaldo. That's what experience brings to a side. You go down, you win your side.
Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we will just discuss the Portugal star, a young player who is played for, I think, every club, every team. He has played every league. First, he played for Atletico Madrid, and then he transferred to Chelsea, then transferred to Barcelona, now Chelsea. And from part today, for 2 weeks, we all listened that he is now going to transfer to join his captain at Al Nassr Ronaldo, and now his transfer has been confirmed and he is going to Al Nassr Football Club. So this will be a little bit shocking for fans, because he has been lost a lot of time. First he played for Atletico Madrid. He was a little bit good there, but then he was transferred to Barcelona on loan. But now he is going to Nassr Club to join Cristiano Ronaldo, and we don't know what will be his future and what will be his goals to achieve in life. But I think he has been lost. He has not done anything he should done. He has not get anything he should get, and he was able to get it. But everything has been upon his luck. We can't do anything, so we hope him to good luck and will play. Able to get it. But everything has been upon his luck. We can't